Hello, Dyson, and welcome to maths. Okay, you will need a whiteboard and a pen, or a piece of paper and a pencil, whatever you like. Okay, first thing I would like you to do. In the last lesson, we did a missing number question, or the last but one lesson, we did a missing number question. Do you remember? We're going to do another one today, but what I would like you to do is try this one on your own, pause me and try it on your own, and then come back and we'll talk through it together, okay? So pause me now. Okay, hopefully you've come back and you've answered the question. If you've struggled or you didn't struggle, we're going to still check the answer, okay? So we know that part plus part equals whole. So 4 plus something equals 15. So we know that our whole is 15, don't we? So I'm going to circle 15. And we know that we already have 4. So I'm going to circle my 4. Now, I'm going to use the jumping method to figure out how many more we need to make 15. Okay, so I'm starting from my 4. My first jump is going to be from my 4 to my 5. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer should be 4 plus 11, whoopsie, makes 15. And we can check that by doing our holding in your head method, can't we? So I'm going to hold 11 in my head and put 4 on my hands, and then I'm going to count on. Are you ready? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm right. Did you get 15? I mean, did you get 11? Yeah? Good. If you didn't, don't worry, but just remember this counting method and the way that we can check whether our answer is right, because we're going to be doing a lot more of these in the lessons to come, okay? So our learning objective today is, can I represent numbers to 50? Okay, so first thing we're going to do for this lesson, you will need 2 colours. So I'm going to use yellow for my 10s and blue for my 1s, okay? And you'll need a piece of paper or something to draw your part whole models onto. Okay, so I'm going to show you the first one and then we're going to do the second one together, okay? So this is my part whole model. I've got one part here and the other part here. And I need to figure out what this number is, okay? So let me first get my yellow pencil, okay? Here we go. I've got 1 10 in that part. So I'm going to write the number 1 in yellow. Yeah? Okay, watch carefully because you're going to be doing this. And then I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So I'm going to write 4 in blue. So 1 10 and 4 1s. Let me make that a 1 to make it 1 10 and 4 1s equals 14. Do you see how that worked? Okay, it's your turn. Right. I'd like you to pause me and draw this part whole model and then fill in the number, and then we'll do it together in a minute. Okay, hopefully you're back. If you didn't quite understand and you want to do it with me now, that's also fine. Okay, so you need to, you need to draw your part whole model with this many tens and this many ones. And then we're going to fill in the answer here. So we've got, count with me, 1, 2, 3 tens. Okay, we've got 3 tens. So I'm going to write the number 3 in yellow. Did you write yours in the colour that your tens are drawn in? I hope so. Okay, and how many ones do I have? 1, 2. Okay, so I've got 2 ones. So 3 tens and 2 ones make the number, what did you get? 32. Well done. Okay, another one now. It's all on you this time. Okay, pause me, draw this part whole model and answer the question up here in our whole. Okay, hopefully you're back. So let's see if you got it right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. 4 tens, so I've drawn the number 4. And, oh, we don't have any ones. So I'll do 0 because we don't have any ones. So 4 tens and 0 ones equals 40. Well done if you got that. Now it's not 4. Do you see why? Because we have no ones, but we do have 4 tens, and that's the tens column, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Next one. Now, this time we need to represent this number in our tens frame first. So let's count together how many full tens frames we have. 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2 full tens frames. And can you count with me how many ones we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we've got that far, pause me and fill in the hole like we've been doing before, okay? Okay, hopefully you're back. Let's see if you got the right answer. So we've got 1, 2 tens, 2 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. 7 ones. So this number here is 27. Fantastic. Okay. Now, I'd like you to pause me now and just have a look at this already completed part whole model. Can you tell me what is missing from the part whole model? You don't need to draw this one. What's missing from this part whole model? Okay, hopefully you figured out what's missing. I'm going to show you what's missing and see if you are right, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3 tens, 3 tens there. So that's correct. we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Oh, but our number is 37, so what's missing? Well done. We're missing 2 ones. We need 5, 6, 7 ones in our part to make this correct. Well done. Okay, one more of those. Are you ready? What's missing this time? Okay, do you know what's missing? Sorry about that, everybody. Mrs. Morris was phoning. Okay, let's carry on. Now, this last one, what was missing? Let's have a look. Well, we've got 1, 2, 3 ones, haven't we? So that's correct. 1, 2, 3 tens. Oh, but our number is 43. So what's missing? Fantastic. If you said we're missing 1 whole 10. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 3 ones to make the number 43. Fantastic work today. Now, if you'd like to do the challenge, I'm about to show it to you. If not, can you post a picture of all of those tens frames with the beautiful color coordinated numbers and everything on them? Is that okay? Okay, here's the challenge if you'd like to do it. So here's a table showing the number 28. So that represents 28. This represents 28. 2 tens and 8 ones makes 28. That's correct. And the number 28 right there. For your challenge today, I'd like you to make your own table for the number 34. So I'd like you to do the same thing, represent the number 34 in these 3 different ways. Okay? Fantastic. Good luck. Post that on Tapestry for me as well if you're doing the challenge. Well done. I will see you soon. Bye, Dyson.